Alright, I'm going to do an unboxing video that's going to be a part of my main video that I'm doing that's on this cabinet, this 3-door cabinet that I made. But I'm going to unbox this epoxy and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it unconventionally. But right here, I got it off of Amazon. It was $56.57 to get a gallon of this 2-part epoxy that I'm going to mix up to make a mechanical bond between this wooden backsplash and this granite top. And I'm going to use it mostly as a horizontal gap filler, but I'm also going to use it as a coating on this live edge and this black walnut piece here. But let me show you what came with it. It comes with this silicone pad. It comes with a variety of glitters. Get them all out here. It comes with 2 silicone mixing cups. It looks like maybe 10 or so of these measuring cups. And let's see. Comes with this 16 colors of different kinds of, there's a white, orange, there's blues and greens, and so that you can mix in. Here's some more of that larger glitter. Here's a mixing cup, and that's a silicone. Then it comes with a gallon of the resin, or I mean half a gallon, part A and part B. There's some mixing sticks, popsicle sticks, an instruction manual, and let's see, that looks like a silicone covered mixing stick. And then it has a bunch of these little suction tubes for probably getting into small areas, and I will probably be using that. Now, let me pull the camera off the stand and I'll show you what I'm going to try to accomplish with this. Oh, and a pair of gloves, or a few pair of gloves, at least 2 sets of gloves. But I'm going to clear off the counter here and I'll show you what I plan on doing.